Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on converting general form to slope-intercept form of linear equations. So this is our fourth tutorial kaya hindi ko na masyadong papaliwanag ito, no? Let's just start with first exercise, no? So gagawin nating of the form y equals mx plus b to, no? And as I have mentioned before, dapat i-isolate natin yung y, no? Dapat yung y nasa isang side siya at yung lahat ng mga numbers and yung variable, no, na x ay nasa opposite side siya. So dito pwede nating iwan itong negative 5y, no, sa kaliwa. Haalisin natin yung 10x, no. So we can do that by subtracting 10x from both sides, diba? So minus 10x minus 10x, which means na mawawala na to, no? So negative 5y na lang matitira equals 8 minus 10x, or pwede na natin siya isulat as negative 10x plus 8, no? So naalala nyo ba yung ating property na a minus b equals a plus negative b, no? Ito yun, no? So pwede natin isulat yung 8 minus 10x as 8 plus negative 10x. At since commutative yung addition, pwede natin siyang baliktarin, no? Magiging negative 10x plus 8, which is ito na yun, no? So wag tayo malito, no? Okay, so ang gagawin natin is tatanggalin na natin yung negative 5, and we can do that by dividing both sides by negative 5, or simply multiplying by negative 1/5, no? So dividing by negative 5 is just equal to multiplying by its reciprocal, no, which is negative 1/5. But may equal siya. Multiplying by negative 1/5. So we multiply both sides by negative 1/5. Negative 1/5 times negative 5y equals negative 1/5 times 10x plus 8, no? And negative 1/5 times negative 5 is just 1. And 1 times y is just y. And then we use distributive property. Negative 1/5 times 10x plus negative 1/5 times 8. Ano ang negative 1/5 times 10? What is negative 1/5 times 10? That's negative 2, di ba? So meaning we have negative 2x. And then plus, ano ang negative 1/5 times 8? Negative 1/5 times 8 is the same as negative 1/5 times 8 over 1, di ba? Which is, minultiply natin to magiging 8. Minultiply natin to magiging 5. Pero negative siya kasi may negative tayo dito. So this is negative 8/5, no? Plus negative 8/5. And pag plus negative, pwede na natin siyang ibalik sa minus, no? A plus negative b is equal to a minus b. So pag final answer na, pwede natin balik siya sa minus na ulit. 8/5. So this is our answer. Ano ang m natin dito? Ang m natin ay negative 2. At ang b natin, this is y equals mx plus b, di ba? Yung form natin ng slope-intercept. So y equals mx plus b. Take note na plus ito, so plus din ito. Meaning yung m natin ay negative 2. At ang b natin ay ito, part na to, negative 8/5. No? So pag kukunin mo yung value ng m and b, dapat plus yung nasa gitna mo kasi plus yung dun sa form natin. Diba? Okay, so last number, we have 4/5 x plus 2y equals 5/6. No? And I think, turo ko na rin ito before na pag meron kang equation at merong fraction, kung more than 2 fractions, no? O more than 1 fraction, at magkaiba yung denominator, just multiply both sides of the equation by the LCM of the denominator. So what's the LCM of 5 and 6? Alam niyo ba? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. These are the multiples of 5. Pag 6 naman, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. It's 35. Ang least common multiple yung una o pinakamaliit na common sa kanilang dalawa. So this is 30. This is by listing, no? Kasi madali lang siya. Pero we have many methods in getting the LCM of 2 or more numbers, no? So 30, meaning we multiply both sides of the equation by 30. Multiply. Magiging 30 times 4/5 x plus 2y. This is equal to 30 times 5/6. No? So what is 30 times 4/5? Pag whole number over 1, so magiging 120 over 5. Multiply. Okay, pwede tayo mag-cancel dito, di ba? Divided by 5, magiging 6. Divided by 5, magiging 1. So 24, no? 120 over 5 is 24, kung hindi kayo marunong mag-cancellation. So this is 24x plus 30 times 2 is 60. Tapos meron tayong y. What is 30 times 5/6? 30 times 5/6. So this is over 1 again. Pwede mag-cancel. Divide by 6 pareho. Divided by 6 is 1. Divided by 6 is 5. So this is 25 over 1 or simply 25. Pag hindi naman kayo nakapag-cancel, what is 30 times 5? 150 divided by 6. 25 pa rin naman yung magiging sagot nyo. So this is 25. O kaya one way is 30 divided by 6 times 5. No? Mas madali. Compute. Alright. Again, unahin natin yung alisin yung x kasi gusto natin y na lang matitira sa one side. No? Remember, we are aiming for y equals mx plus b. So magiging... para maalis yung 24x dito, para y na lang matira, 60y, we subtract both sides by, we subtract 24x from both sides, plus 60y equals 25. So magma-minus tayo ng 24x. So minus 24x. Makakancel to. Wala na yan kasi nag-minus ka na. So, matitira magiging 60y equals 25x, o 25 minus 24x, or simply, negative 24x plus 25. Okay? A minus b is equal to a plus negative b. So, ito naging 25 plus negative 24x. Because of this property, no? Because of this property. Tapos yung negative 24x, inuna lang natin siya dito. Pwede naman yun kasi commutative naman yung addition. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo pagpalitin yung presto. In any order yung pag-add, tama pa rin, no? 5 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 5. No? And then, we divide both sides by 60, or another way of doing that is multiplying both sides by 60. By 1 over 60. So, divide by 60 is the same as multiplying by 1 over 60. The reciprocal, di ba? Okay. So, this is equal to 1/60th times negative 24x plus 25. So, ang 1/60th times 60 is just 1, no? 1 times y is y. So ito magiging negative 24 over 60 x plus 25 over 60, no? So yung 1 over 60, baka nagtaka kayo sa nagaling times negative 24x. So siyempre i-multiply lang naman natin itong coefficient, no? Numerical coefficients. So na times negative 24, no? Pag integer, nilalagyan natin ng 1 para meron siyang denominator. So we multiply. Magiging 24 over 60th o 24 60th, pero pwede natin siyang lowest terms, no? Negative yan. Remember, negative dito. Ano pwedeng i-divide natin sa 24 tsaka sa 60? Pwede bang 6? Magiging 4 over 10 siya, di ba? So 24 over 60 divided by 6. Magiging 4 over 10, no? 4/10. So magiging 2/5 siya. So magiging negative 2/5 ito. Y equals negative 2/5 plus 2/5x plus, what is 25 60th? Pwede ko ba i-divide by 5? If I divided by 5, if I divided this by 5, this becomes 5 over 12 or 5/12. So this is 5/12. Okay? Ibig sabihin ito na yung pinakasagot natin. Ang value ng m dito ay itong, this is your m, no? Yung katabi ng x, this is negative 2/5 equals m. At ito yung b natin. 5/12 is b. Okay? So, hopefully, no? With those examples, no? These examples, including the examples in the previous videos in this tutorial, ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating series na ito, no? Gusto ko i-invite sa zip9.com yung ating website at syempre sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9ph. Maraming salamat. See you.